In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple artworks or artboard in one workspace using Photoshop. All right. If you look at my screen right now, you will see the first artboard here is the front page of the book. Then the page 2 here is the back page of the book, but they are all in one workspace. All right. So I'm going to show you how you can have 2 or 3 or multiple artboard using one workspace. All right, so how do you do that? The first thing you do is to go to your file, you click on new. Okay, and once you come to this place where my mouse is, and you see artboards. It's usually unchecked, so check it, make sure it's marked good. And once you do that, you click on create, and automatically you will see artboard 1. And then once you do that, you bring here down. Then you right click on this first artboard on your layers. Then you click on duplicate, okay it, and then you see we have 2 different artboards. Now you can do multiple, as many as you want to. Now let's do one more. Now you right click on the second one, you duplicate artboard, okay it. Now you see we have 3 different artboards in one workspace. Alright guys, so this is how you create. Okay, let's do one more again. You right click, duplicate, you okay it. Now we have 4 different artboard in one workspace. Okay, now you can have different designs in different pages here. So this is how you can create multiple artboards in one workspace using your Photoshop. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Thank you.